Hello everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Today we are going to see how we can draw different types of cute little hairstyles for your babies. Yes, so by crisscrossing it and converting it into a ponytail, this is how by taking small partitions and gaps and by binding it with beautiful rubber bands, here the end result. Moving further, we have another crisscross sections from the upper part of the hair and then pulling it down, stretching it towards the end and then binding it with the help of rubber band. This is how it looks. Now making it into a shape of heart and binding it and beautiful ribbon here, which gives it a final look. Now what we are doing this, which type of hairstyle are we making? Let's explore and find out. Here we are tracing it into a rubber band and then we are twirling it inside, and this is how we are making this. It's definitely looking like a rainbow pattern. OMG, this is gonna be so beautiful, right? Would you try these lovely hairstyles at your home? Why not, with the help of these cute ribbons? Yeah, it really adorns your hair, right? By crisscrossing it and then taking it towards the end, and this is how we are with the help of the ribbon only. Yeah, it is really beautiful, isn't it? Now what we are doing this? Yes, here what we are making is crisscrossing again and then making two pleats. Yeah, OMG. Now for the short little hair, we have another hairstyle that will make you look amazing. This is a short bun around that will adorn your beauty with the help of this bun band. Yes. Proceeding further, we have another exploring something new, something innovative, something that really suits your hair. Oh my god, this is beautiful flower. This is how we made it. Another thing, yes, for a simple cute little hairstyle, what we are making, we are just using a ribbon and then converting it. Here we are from the top of the hair, we are again crisscrossing and taking it to the end, I guess. Now let's see what the girl is doing, how it is making into. Just crisscrossing till here, and we can see this is gonna be really pretty. Yes. And this is going to be suit on small babies, and this is a ribbon that I like the most. See the beautiful colors and beautiful pattern of hair that will really make you look really beautiful. And here we are again crisscrossing with the help of and making it into pleats. Yes, and this is one of my personally favorite hairstyles for schools or for colleges, for any casual occasions that you might try, and you will end up getting a beautiful result, isn't it? Now the one which will make you cry with this beauty, and yes, again with the use of this loose rubber band, we are tying this into and making it simple and beautiful. Thank you.